Hi, my name is RJ from Equator, and today we're going to be making a 3D map. I'm going to be using a point cloud and the measurement tool to measure between the road and the cliff. Let's get started. We'll begin by using the 3D Cutaway tool. I'll click on it on the right hand side, and now I'll draw a rectangle around the area we're going to investigate in this video. Now that that's finished, you can see the 3D cutout. The next step is we're going to add a point cloud. We can either click the plus in the bottom left, or go into Site Builder and select the product we're looking for. In this case it'll be a point cloud. I'll click point cloud, click to add a site. Now I'll click edit site bound so I can draw the exact site we're after. Now I'm just drawing the points where I'd like them. I'm going to be cutting out most of the water, some of the rocks, just so we can focus on what we're investigating here. After the shape is complete, we'll get this popped up and we click generate, and the point cloud loads in. First thing I'm going to do is go into layers and disable the visibility for the site limits. That will get rid of the red line around the point cloud. Now let's take a look at the cliff. Here we can see that the cliff is clearly delineated. Red is the highest point and blue is the lowest. Perfect. Now this is the road here, and we're going to be measuring to the cliff, so I'm going to use the measurement tool. I'll place my first point at the edge of the road, and I will measure to the closest point on the cliff. Then I right click and it'll end the operation. Let's get a couple more measurements here. The next thing I'm going to do is add an annotation to mark the site. So I'll click the annotation tool in the top right and select the location. You'll notice on the left that we get a settings menu, so I can double click on annotation and change the title. And then we can modify how this annotation looks. I'm going to change the background to a gray, foreground to a black. Let's make this a little bit larger. There we go. Might look better with rounded corners here. And the leader length is a little bit short for me. I'll bring that up just a little bit. It's starting to come together. One more thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the layers menu and lower the brightness of the base map, just so we can focus a little bit more on our point cloud and our measurements. 0.3 seems good. Next, we can go back into the layers menu and click on our point cloud. Here we can change the point cloud settings. There's a couple presets here. If we click on detailed or fill, it'll fill out the entire image, but I think default is what we're looking for here. Under height range, you can see if I change it from 3 to 6, the blue starts to spread up the mountain a little bit. We'll leave it at 3 for now. If I change the height range from 37 to 35, you can see the red begins to bleed down the cliff a little bit, giving us a clear idea of where the edge starts. There we go. We have our simple 3D map using point cloud measurements and an annotation. Thanks for watching.